Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Jen Francis. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get free stock videos and stock photos for your projects and more. So I want you to open your browser and search for this website, Pixabay.com. Please, this is not a promotional video. This is a tool I use frequently for my videos and all that. So once you search for it, it's going to open up this page, Pixabay. So you click on it. As you can see, stunning royalty-free images, royalty-free stock. On this website, you're going to get thousands of royalty-free stock videos, royalty-free stock images for your videos and more, and other projects. So it's going to show you to log in. So we already have an account with them, but if you don't have an account with them, please create one, because this is a very useful tool that I use frequently. So as you can see, these are stock images, free stock images that you can download and use for your projects. So let's search for stock videos. Let's see a man walking. Just give the description of the video that you want to download and you select whether it is image or videos. So as you can see, it has over 2,000 plus free stock videos on this keyword that I just typed in, a man walking. So let's just open one. As you can see, free. All these things are free. All these things are free, no copyrights. Once you use it on your project, you won't have any copyright issues. So I'm going to play the video now. As you can see, a man walking. So guys, this is just a simple way to get royalty-free stock videos and stock images. So if you enjoyed this video and if you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop some videos like this. See you guys on my next video. Peace.